Hello everyone, welcome to GGRA30 Tutorial 8. If you have any questions, please send me an email. This exercise provides you first with an opportunity to verify that you have access to and can log into an ArcGIS online account that is provided for you through the university. Second, through this exercise, you will demonstrate the following: upload a shapefile, create a web map, configure the symbology, and share your map with others. You can find the data on ArcGIS. This is a file archive containing a shapefile and some media attachments. You will not use the photos in today's tutorial, but will use those for the exercises to be completed in Tutorial 9. All University of Toronto students have access to educational licensing for GIS products, such as ArcGIS Online. We will be using ArcGIS Online for Assignment 5, and you need to have an active ArcGIS Online account for that. Please read the instructions at the following link to register and activate your University of Toronto ArcGIS Online account. If you already have an account, you can just log into it without re-registering for this course. You have been provided with a zip file for today's tutorial. When unpacked, it contains the following folders. First, photos, a folder containing sample photos. Second, shapefile, a folder containing a shapefile of points for a small number of populated places in NS. First, you have to prepare a shapefile for uploading to ArcGIS Online. The first step is to download the tutorial data, and then you can use 7-zip or other tools to unpack the zip file and navigate into the shapefile folder. Select all of the files that are part of the shapefile found there. For example, DBF, PRG, SHB, and only those files. Right-click and select 7-zip, add to archive. This will create a new zip file containing only the selected files in your shapefile folder. And the last step is to complete the dialog to create the zip file. Please pay attention to where it is saved. By default, it will be created in the shapefile folder. Then you can upload the shapefile to ArcGIS Online. First, you have to log into your ArcGIS Online account. Then navigate to the Content section in the top menu bar and select the My Content tab. Then select Add Item, and from My Computer, select your file. Choose the zip file just prepared, and some additional options will be displayed. Ensure that the contents are marked as a shapefile, and ensure that the option to publish this file as a hosted layer is checked. Then you can change a title for your file. For example, you can use Tutorial8, and then add at least one tag, and then select Add Item. Next, we will add layer to your map. Select Open in Map Viewer and click on Add to New Map. To simply show the locations, we can first select location, single symbol, then click on the symbol's hyperlink to adjust the color and size of the location markers used on the map. Here you can change the shape and color and symbol size. Click on OK. And click on Save to save your map. You can give it a title and give it a tag. And some summary descriptions to help you remember the content of the map. Save map. You can also select the base map icon to change your base map. Next, we are going to add feature labels to your map. Click on Details in the top menu bar, and then select the Content tab. In the content list, we can see the light gray canvas is the base map layer for the map. And also you can find the name of the hosted feature layer created from the shapefile upload. You can check the options under the layer name. There are many useful options we can use to visualize our map. And in today's tutorial, we are going to first create labels for the map. Ensure that there is a check mark beside label features. It's checked. And also ensure the text is named. Change the font and size of the label. Now you can see the names of the cities. Click OK and save your map. Now you successfully create labels for your map. Next, we're going to change point symbology using ArcGIS Online. In the content entry for the populated places layer, select Change Style icon. Choose Population, and then select a drawing style. I'm going to use Count and Amounts here. And select Classify Data first. This will set the layer to use classification, and we'll select the default method. Here is natural bricks. With classification selected, in the section named Population, you will have the options to adjust the symbol type and color for all symbols. Just click on Symbols. Now you can change the shape and the color of the points. I'll use pink here. And I'll use 3 classes here. Make sure the smallest towns are also clearly visible on the map, and the larger populations are also clearly visible. When you are done, you can select OK and save your map. The last step is to share your map. The first option is to share hosted feature layer. First, switch back to the Overview tab of the feature layer details by navigating to your account content page again and clicking on the feature layer's name. In the options at the right of the page, select Share. Share your map to the organization. This allows anyone within the university organization set up for ArcGIS Online to see your map. Click Save. Another option is to share web map. Go to your home page, click on Content. Click on your map. Open the details and click on Share. Select Organization, click on Save. Then open a map viewer. In a map viewer, click on the Share option at the top of the map. In the dialog, you can see a link to this map. You can copy the link and share it to your classmates so they can have access to your map. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.